from them. Class was standard. Today I am going to speak a few words. Swami Vivekananda has the greatest power was thank you. My name is Radha Shah, class second. Swami Vivekananda was the great man of our country. He was born 12 January 1863. We celebrate National Youth Day on his birthday. Vivekananda gives inspirations for us. He gave knowledge in his speech. He gave famous speech in 1893. Thank you. Respected teachers and our dear friends, I would like to speak a few words about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great Indian Hindu monk and philosopher and religious teacher. He was born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. His full name was Narendranath Datta and his father name was Vishwanath Datta and his mother name was Bhuneshwari Devi. He is founder of Ramakrishna Mission. He made famous speech in Chicago in 1893. His birthday is celebrated National Youth Day. Thank you. Guru Muttaga Niladi. Eddeli Guru Muttaga Nilladiri. Yeli Eddeli Guru Muttaga Nilladiri. Eddeli Guru Muttaga Nilladiri. My name is Mahalakshmi Apna Sarit. Swami Vivekananda was a great man of India. He is born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. His childhood name was Narendranath Datta. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta. His mother's name was Bhuneshwari Devi. His guru is Swami Ramakrishnan Paramahamsa. His founder is Ramakrishnan Mission. He died in 14th July. So Swami Vivekananda was a great man of India. Thank you. Class standard. Today I am here to say about Swami Vivekananda. Awake, arise, until stop not till you reach your goal. It was a call given by Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta and his mother's name was Bhuneshwari Devi. His childhood name was Narendranath Datta. His birthday is celebrated as Youth Day, and he was a great inspiration of our country. Thank you. My name is Vikas of class 5th. I am studying Jnana Bharati School. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th January 1863. His father name was Narendra. His mother name was Bhuneshwari Devi. His real name was Narendranath Datta. He is fond of meditation. He is passed BA. Church college. Thank you. I tell about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great man in our country. He is born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. His childhood name was Narendranath Datta. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta. His mother's name was Bhuneshwari Devi. He is the founder of Ramakrishna Mission. His birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Sitesh of class 5th. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. His father's name was Vishwanath Swami Vivekananda's Guru. His birthday we are celebrated as National Youth Day. Thank you. My name is Nanda, Aflal first standard. Today we are celebrating Swami Vivekananda Jayanti. Swami Vivekananda was a great religious personality in the world. He was born on 12 January 1863 in Simlapalli at North Kolkata. His full name was Narendranath Datta. His father's name was Vishwanatha Datta and his mother's name was Bhuvaneshwari Devi. He was very clever, intelligent and brave. Thank you. Today I am going to speak about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great philosopher and Hindu man. Swami Vivekananda was born 12th January 1863 in Kolkata. His father's name Narendranath Datta. His father's name Vishwanatha Datta and mother's name Bhuvaneshwari Devi. He founded the Ramakrishna Mission. Thank you. I am studying 4th standard. Today I am going to tell about a few words. Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great philosopher and a Hindu man. He was born on 12th January in 1863 in Kolkata. His full name was Narendranath Vishwanath Datta. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta. His mother's name was Bhuvaneshwari Devi. Swami Vivekananda gave a famous speech in Chicago in 1893. He is founder of Ramakrishna Mission in 1897. Thank you. I wish you all happy Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was great leader. He was born 12th January 1863 in Kolkata. Thank you. I am studying in 1st standard. Swami Vivekananda, thank you. Yeah, I'd like to welcome to our principal Santosh sir. A very warm welcome to school president Anita ma'am. And a very warm welcome to Prasad sir, founder of JBVS. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸನೆ ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಗಿರಿವಾಸ ಶ್ರೀರಮಣನೆ ಶ್ರೀಶಂಕ ಶ್ರೀಚಕ್ರಭೂಷಿತನೆ ಆತ್ಮಾಯ ದೇಹಾಯ ಆರಾಧನೆ ಕರೆದರೆ ಬರುವ ಕಲಿಯುವ ದೈವ ಪಾವವಿನಾಶ ಲಘುಮೆಯ ಮನವ ಕಲುಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಭದ್ರಾದಿ ರಾಮನಿವನೆ ಮಧುರಾ ಪುರುಷ ಮನಿವನೆ ಶರಣಾಗಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಕಾಯೋ ನೀಲಾಮಯ ಶ್ರೀಕಾರನೆ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸನೆ ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಗಿರಿವಾಸ ಶ್ರೀರಮಣನೆ ಶ್ರೀಚಕ್ರ ಶ್ರೀಶಂಕ ಭೂಷಿತನೆ ಆತ್ಮಾಯ ದೇಹಾಯ ಆರಾಧನೆ.
ವಿಶ್ವ ಯುವ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತು ವಿಶ್ವದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ವಿಶ್ವ ಯುವ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆನ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದೆಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ವಿಶ್ವದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಎಂದರೆ ವಿವೇಕದ ಬೆಳಕು, ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನದ ತಿರುಳು, ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿ, ಧರ್ಮದ ಸಾರಥಿ, ಜೀವನ್ಮುಖಿಯ ಕನ್ನಡಿ, ಭಾರತೀಯತೆಯ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಶಬ್ದಕೋಶ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಾಭಿಮಾನದ ಹೆಗ್ಗುರುತಿನ ಸಂಕೇತ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲೂ ಆದರ್ಶ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ನೀಡುವ ಏಕೈಕ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಅವರು ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ಚಿಕಾಗೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ರು? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರೇ, ಹೇಳಿ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ ಗುರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟುವ ತನಕ ನಿಲ್ಲದಿರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣ ಏನೇ ಅಡಚಣೆಗಳು ಬಂದ್ರು, ಏನೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಬಂದ್ರು ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ದೂರ ಮಾಡಾದ್ರು ಆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದಂಥವ್ರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಜನ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಿನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳಾಗಿ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ತತ್ವ ಆದೇಶಗಳನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದರು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಏನು ವಿಶ್ವ ಯುವ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಪರಿಷತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ಹುಲಿಕಲ್ ನಟರಾಜ್ ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಜಯಂತಿಯವರ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ವಿಶ್ವ ಯುವ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾರಣ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌಢ್ಯತೆ, ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆ ಈ ಥರದ್ದೇನಿದೆಯೋ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಲಗಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮಾಜಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನಾಂಗದವರು ಮಾನವತಾವಾದಿಗಳು ಅನ್ನೋದ ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಒಂದು ದೇಶದ ಏಳಿಗೆಗೆ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾದ್ಯಂತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಅನಿತಾ ಅವರವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಭಾರತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ಯುವ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದವರ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿನ ತಂದುಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಾಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಯುವಕರೇ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳು ಅಂತ. ಇವತ್ತೇನಾದ್ರೂ ದೇಶ ಬದಲಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯುವಕ ಯುವತಿಯರಿಂದ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.